If you want to make sure your clients never miss an appointment and reduce no-shows automatically, then don't worry, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up appointment confirmations in GoHighLevel so your clients get the reminders and confirmations without you doing anything manually, even if you are a complete beginner in GoHighLevel. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link for the GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check that out and let's get back to the video. Now once you are inside of your GoHighLevel dashboard, just head over to these settings here. Now look for the calendars and click on that. Now here you will see all of your calendar list here. So select the one, which one you want to set for the confirmation. So I have this one and I'm just clicking on this edit calendar. Here you will find there is an option for the notification and additional options. Click on that and you can see there is an option for the appointment booked, status is confirmed. Now click on this and here just click on this toggle button here. And now here, if you have any email template for the appointment confirmation, you can select that from this template, but we don't have, then we are just going to write this like this one. And if you want, then you can change the subject here. So after doing all of this thing, just save this. Now let's close this. Now click on this save again. So that's it basically. This is how you can easily set the confirmation for the appointments. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. And don't forget to check the link in the description.